Hold on.
Okay. Hello YouTube, wagwan. So now back at it again with a HD 1600 command in protection mode. So gonna take a look and see what I can do to this amplifier. Taramps HD 1600.1. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow, this one is dirty inside of it. Damn. Whew. Oh yeah. Damn. Power supply problem. You guys can see. Yep. These MOSFET are toast. Man. Alright, let me just take the whole board apart because and this uses the IRFB 4227 RFB 4227 for output. Yeah, those are some strong MOSFET from what I know. Oh man, this was bad. It's really bad. Okay. Taramps HD 1600. Ready then. Just plug in that soda. It's not yet hot. Okay, I was wondering not coming at this board, not coming on. Okay. Oh man, put these to lay down. It's easier to work on. Alright, so you guys can see that the burnt mark on the board, the circuit board. Yeah, it was so you smoke up. Alright. Okay, as you guys can see, yeah, these are, yeah, it's like come up or yeah, look at that. Whoa, it's crazy. And these were the IRF 1404. Yeah, those are Taramps mainly used MOSFET, traditional MOSFET, but now they're doing a lot of weird stuff with the MOSFETs. Using different type of MOSFETs, some even lower wattage one than these that's in here. I don't know why they do it. Maybe, you know, it's cheaper for them, but it is what it is, you know. That's what I would say. It's okay. Whew, man. Alright, let me get these burnt MOSFET out of the board. Okay, making sure I'm recording. So what I do, I just run the solder across all 3 legs of the MOSFET. That's kind of easier to me. Whoa. Scrap. Yeah, sometimes I have to do this back and front because it's a two-sided circuit board. It's a double-sided. Okay. And this uses 4 MOSFET for the power supply. Oh man. Oh. Everything's coming up out there. Crap. So I'm gonna clean this circuit board with some thinner. Right, I do that, let it sit for a while, like run it like this. battery. So now when I come back, I'm gonna take a break for now and get out some MOSFET because I want to make this video not too long, not too drawn out with everything, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop the video now and then I'll come back with the, you know, when I'm installing the MOSFET and some resistors here. Okay guys, all right.